Greetings, this is Sean, and today I am going to start a new little segment that I'm going to call Quick Tips. It's my little quick tips. It's just some things that I've come across during my escapades into the YouTube universe and different websites that I visit, and just little 3 or 4 or 5 minute long segments of just something that'll maybe help you out in the future or help you with your hobby crafts or maybe something you hadn't thought of. I'm usually have a mind for that kind of thing. So anyway, this is something new I'm going to do just whenever I get some extra time, maybe 1 or 2 of these a month. And hope you like it. If you don't like it, say so. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see more of these, or if you don't want to see more of these and you just want to see the miniatures and stuff that I create, that's fine too. I'll just get them whenever I get them and try and, like I say, a couple each month, just whenever I get some extra time or in between projects or, that type of thing. So anyway, enjoy this and have a better day, as I always say. Greetings, this is Sean, and I have just a real quick tip for today. If you have a X-acto knife like this, or maybe it looks like this, or even one that looks, not that one of these small ones like this, I have a little tip. If you have these blades, take the blade out. If you need to replace the blade, those blades can be expensive. But if you get this type of a blade that goes in the kind that pushes out, which I don't use those kind, I don't like them because they're real flimsy. But this pack here cost me, I think, $3 at Lowe's. And this is one here. If you break the end of it off, little segment off, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these blades. And that blade will fit right inside of there. Loosen it up a little bit. And there you have that same kind of blade, different angle. Now you got a sharp one, and you got all of those. And there was 3 of those blades in this pack. It means you get 18 of those blades for about $3. Craftsman, good name. And the small ones, like this one, if you get this size here, which is 9mm, it says, there are 3 of them in there as well. Well, 3 pieces, yeah, right there. And I think I paid $2, about $3 for those as well. And on here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've already broken one off, 12. And you can see that they fit inside of this size here just right. So you can get 12 blades times 3. That's 36 blades for about $3. And again, Craftsman, good name. And you can use them just like you would any kind of blade. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Instead of buying these X-acto blades, which are expensive, which I didn't look up the price, but if I look at it, I'll look it up real quick and I'll flash it on the screen or whatnot and let you know what the prices are for this type of blade on an X-acto blade. So anyway, that's all I have to say for now. Have a better day, as I always say.